Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great. Today I'm here with another new topic in which I will explain about the dual WhatsApp in your device Realme 9i. But firstly, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon so you can get the new videos. Now let's move toward the topic. In this video, I will explain how you can download the dual WhatsApp or the clone WhatsApp in your device Realme 9i. Just follow the steps and watch complete video so you can able to download the dual WhatsApp or the second WhatsApp in your device Realme 9i. Just follow the steps and watch complete video.